Ay, ni hao.
Kamukha mo si ano kanina, ha? Akala ko si ano, yung sa social media, si anong pangalan nun? Yung, nakalimutan ko na.
Where you from? Where you from?
Are you not a Filipino?
Mo, Taiwan kai. Ni hao nai. Một lên nơi. Where you from?
Shun yung.
Where
Ni
you
hao?
from? Ni hao. Where you from?
I'm from the Philippines, but I thought you were a Filipino. You look like a
English.
Filipino. Wait, let me stalk you.
Một cái, một lên nơi.
You are a Filipino.
May nakita ko bata tapos pinakawal ko sa
Oh, you really are not a Filipino?
Mo.
But I think you get that a lot. Like you look like a Filipino.
Ni ai? My mother.
Oh, your mom is a Filipino.
My mother.
Oh, that's why. So you're half Chinese, half what?
Taiwan. Cặp lôi nôi.
Half Taiwan and half Filipino.
Yeah, cặp lôi nôi.
Oh, okay, okay. I see that one. All right, I get it.
You age. How you age?
But I don't understand.
Your age how?
Yes?
Your age. Your age.
You were asking me if I already eat my lunch?
Your
No,
age.
not
Your age.
what?
Your age how old?
Oh, how old am I? Can you guess how old am I?
Maybe 21.
21?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm too young for that. Too young. Thank you.
Are you married?
No.
No. Okay, xong lây nuôi. Mahal nuôi.
Are you married though?
No, no married, no girlfriend, no children.
Oh
If
no.
you
Why
my
you don't
married,
get how
if
old
you
how
my
old are you?
me 38.
Okay, but
38.
I'm really